welcome to IMTEX 2025. We are here at Blaser Swisslube. They are known for their metalworking solutions. We have with us Mr. Marc Blaser. He is the CEO of the Blaser Swisslube. Can you please tell me about your participation here at IMTEX?
So, of course, we're very happy that you are here. Thank you for coming. We're happy to be at IMTEX. I think it's a great opportunity to showcase our latest competencies and capabilities, as well as technology that we have to offer to the Indian market. And of course, it's a great platform to have interaction with a lot of passionate engineers from the industry.
So what are you expecting from this expo?
Well, of course, we expect a lot of good, fruitful and valuable exchanges. It's a great opportunity to have another type of exchange with our customers or potential customers about the difference between a metalworking fluid and a liquid tool. And also we really want to show that it's not only about the product technology which is relevant, but that Blaser is also a specialist about application engineering and process engineering capabilities, and that only together with the customer in applying both of those, the maximum benefits can be generated. So we expect that we have a lot of fruitful talks with customers and potential customers about how to write the next chapter of success together.
And what are the major solutions that are on display here today?
Of course, we display products on one hand, but then also, as you can see here in the background, we have certain showcases either on the wall, but also on our iPads, which we can share, which have been neutralized, where a customer can see what kind of benefit he can expect when working with Blaser together. Then on top of that, we also have on display the latest technology automation solutions. So how can digitalization and industrial Internet of Things be used to generate a further added value for the customer? And this is shown here on our booth.
So what kind of customer service does Blaser focuses on?
Well, it's a good question. It actually starts in the beginning. So the first customer service that we do is that we help the customer look at his manufacturing or at his operation in a way that a true specialist from a liquid tool perspective does. So we combine our perspective together with the customer, and with this understanding of the initial situation, we then serve him or go with him through a proper productivity study, where in the end he has a tangible added value, which we also document. And then once the products are in use, of course, then there's a customer service of always making sure that with the relevant lab analysis, it is ensured that the product is always at its peak level when it's in the application. So basically, from before being a customer to even after being our customer, we serve the customer throughout in various perspectives and in various phases.
Very well. And sir, what are the major industries that Blaser is focusing here in India?
Well, I mean, typically the origin, I would say, has a lot to do with automotive and automotive related industries. But if I look today, we are serving a very wide variety of industries. So besides automotive, general machining, we also are very strong in the aerospace segment. Then electronics, which is a newly growing segment in India, is of course a very strong stronghold for us. But also then different segments like the tool manufacturers, die and mold. So we basically serve any type of industry which is producing chips in one way or the other.
Sir, can you tell how is the future outlook of metalworking fluid market?
It's a very good question. The outlook is, or the demand is growing. I see that a lot of companies are becoming aware that they cannot remain competitive just by purely buying the best machine and the right tools. they also need to look at the cutting fluid or the cutting oil as being one further element into making sure that the investments in machine, in people, in tools, in infrastructure, that they generate the maximum value. And so I see a growing market. I see, especially for a company as we are, with the focus that we are, the service that we can provide, I see a growing part of the market which we can attack, because people are in need of not only qualitative cutting fluids, they are in need of true partners who commit themselves to tangible values, tangible results. And this is what we do since 1936, and this is what we also will do even more in the years to come.
So what are the future plans of Blaser Swisslube?
Well, our plans are clear. We want to make sure that we can help our customers be more successful and in a holistic way. And of course, also when we talk about sustainability, it is in our genes since the beginning of our company. When my grandfather started the company, we're always focusing at a holistic approach on sustainability. We want to make sure that we can help the customer really from A to Z, not only be more productive, but also doing this in a more conscious, more holistic, and more sustainable way. So it's all about winning, bringing the right technology to the place, making sure that we have the right competency to apply these technologies. This is what people can expect from us in the future as well.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thanks.
Thank you.